Hello friends, welcome to my channel. We have to solve a problem of JM in 2024 which has been asked on 1st February. So we have to find out the minimum value of mod of z plus 3 plus 4i upon 2 such that mod of z is less than or equals to 1. So we have given that mod of z is less than or equals to 1. This means that maximum value of z mod z is equals to 1. So we can use here triangle inequality. We know that mod of z1 minus z2 is always greater or equals to mod of z1 minus mod of z2 under the absolute value sign. So we can use this triangle inequality to solve the problem. So we have to find out the minimum value of z plus 3 plus 4i upon 2. So we can write this as mod of z minus 3 upon 2 minus 2i, and this is greater or equals to mod of z1 mod of z minus 3 upon 2 minus 2y, and this is so, and this can be written as mod of z minus, this is modulus of this quantity is minus 3 upon 2 whole square minus 2a square under the mod. So this can be written as mod of z minus square root of 9 upon 4 plus 4, and this is less than or equals to mod of z minus 1625 upon 4, and this is greater or less than or equals to mod of z minus 5 upon 2 under the modulus sign. So we have to find out the minimum value of this quantity. So if we take maximum value of this mod of z max is equals to 1, so this quantity will be minimum. So if we take, so this quantity is 1 minus 5 upon 2, so this is equals to 3 upon 2. So this quantity mod of z plus 3 plus 4i upon 2 is always greater or equals to 3 upon 2. So minimum value of z plus 3 plus 4i upon 2 is equals to 3 upon 2. So we can use also geometry of the complex number. So we know that mod of z is less than or equals to, can be written as, if we take z equals to x plus iy iota y, then mod of z is equals to x under root x square plus y square, and this is less than or equals to 1. So x square plus y square is less than or equals to 1 square. So this represents the unit circle. So we have to find out the and we have to find out the minimum value of z plus 3 plus 4i upon 2. This implies that we have to find out, so minimum of, so we have to find out the minimum value of this quantity. So this implies that we have to find out the minimum distance of minus 3 upon 2 to minus 2 from circle x square plus y square less than or equals to 1 square. So we can draw this geometrical situation as like this. So this is y axis, this is x axis, and this is unit circle. So this is the center, this is the radius. So take this quantity, this point lies in the third quadrant. So suppose this point is minus 3 upon 2 to minus 2, and this is q. So minimum distance of this is x square plus y square less than or equals to 1, since this implies that interior of this implies all the interior of the point of the unit circle. So this contains mod of z less than or equals to contains all the interior of the unit circle. So the minimum value is minimum distance is PQ. So this is PQ equals to OQ minus OP, and this can be written as OQ is equals to square minus 3 upon 2 whole square minus 2a square minus 1, since OP is equals to 1. OP is equals to 1. Why? Since this is the radius. This is the radius. So this is equals to 9 upon 4. We have used here distance formula, and this is 4, and this is 5 upon 2 minus 1, and this is 3 upon 2. Thus we have solved this problem in two ways, we using triangle inequality and geometry of the complex number. So thank you.